There's a lot of chatter today, probably last few days, and going to be in next few days as well. It's about TVK and PK. I announced my retirement from what I used to do, and media used to call it political strategy. Then after 4 years, why I'm here? Tamil Nadu gets rid of these three things: corruption, communalism, and dynasty. I think that would be the perfect development model both for Tamil Nadu and all other states to follow.
Please welcome one and only Prashant Kishor, founder of Jansuraj. ஒரு அரங்கம் நிறைந்த கரவொலியோடு நம்முடைய சிறப்பு விருந்தினரை வரவேற்போம்.
Vanakkam. This much even Modi ji says. So every leader knows that they have to come to Tamil Nadu and say Vanakkam. And Tamilians will be very happy. I'm wondering, it's like 3 hours, almost 3 hours, almost equivalent to a movie, and you are listening his speeches after his speech, and the real actor is yet to come, and you are still excited. So I'm not going to take much of your time, just few words. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Vijay. Thank you, TVK family. Thank you, Tamil Nadu. There's a lot of chatter today, probably last few days, and going to be in next few days as well. It's about TVK and PK. What it means. A lot of people think that TVK with PK has a better chance to win. A lot of people are also anxious what it would do. A lot of you would also be skeptical. Does it even add anything? Let me tell you at the beginning, your victory or the final result, whatever it may be, has got nothing to do with PK. It has got all to do with what you do, what your leader does, what the workers of TVK supporters will do. Then why I'm here? 4 years I have not stepped in this domain. Last time I have worked with any leader or any party was in 2021, and it so happened it was Tamil Nadu only. Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. After which I retired. I announced my retirement from what I used to do, and media used to call it political strategy. Then after 4 years, why I'm here? I'm not here to strategize for TVK. You don't need my strategy. I'm not here to help my brother, my friend Vijay, because he doesn't need that help. I'm here because I truly feel that my announcement has been that I will not work with any leader or party. But then Vijay is not a leader. He is not a leader, political leader for me. He is the new hope for Tamil Nadu. And that's why I'm here. TVK is not a political party for me. It's a movement of millions of those who want to see a new political order. A new political order in Tamil Nadu. Enough of what you have been seeing in last 30-35 years. It's time for change, and TVK under the leadership of Vijay represents the change, the hope, and that's why I'm here. I'm here because when I spoke to him, I found shared values, ideals, ideologies, and above all, the shared goal, the desire to bring change in the lives of vast majority of our fellow citizens. A change that is based and rooted in dignity, equality, and opportunity. Dignity for all, equality for all sections of society, irrespective of your caste, creed, religion, and opportunity for each and every citizen of Tamil Nadu to be the best what they could become, irrespective of what their fathers do, what their family does, what their pedigree is. And that's why I'm here to help him in whatever little way I could. I would love to see Tamil Nadu. Actually, last many years I've been studying Tamil Nadu. I don't speak Tamil, but I do understand little bit. And one thing I can promise you, next year, when TVK wins, next year, when TVK wins, and many of you sitting on the both sides, many of you become the policy makers, the rulers, under the leadership of none other than your leader, Vijay. When I will return here to give a thank you speech, it will be in Tamil. It will be in Tamil. I will make every effort to learn to speak enough Tamil to come and thank people of Tamil Nadu after victory of TVK in 2026 in Tamil. So, I have worked across India, and every state has their own share of problems. They have their own share of legacy, which they take great pride in. Of late, in last 10, 15 years, India is literally forced to accept that Gujarat model is the best model. Let me tell you this bit of an academic bit. I think Tamil Nadu model of development, not the governance, Tamil Nadu model of development, SAN CCD, meaning Tamil Nadu model of development, SAN corruption, communalism, and dynasty. We need to get rid of, if Tamil Nadu gets rid of these three things, corruption, communalism, and dynasty, I think that would be the perfect development model both for Tamil Nadu and all other states to follow. So that is what probably with a TVK government in Tamil Nadu, the people will witness, hopefully. Why it is important, you must understand. Tamil Nadu has achieved a lot on developmental parameters compared to other states of India. But the level of corruption we have seen here, especially the political corruption, I'm on record, I'm telling you, it is unprecedented. It's unprecedented. There are states which are lagging behind on many other indicators, but when it comes to political corruption, there is no state which I would rate worse than Tamil Nadu. So you need to correct this if you want to be the leader of this country. The second thing is communalism. There is a lot of talk about India becoming developed nation, Viksit Bharat, as our Prime Minister says. You can't have a developed nation where 20% of our fellow citizens are living in fear, are anxious just because they belong to a particular religion. Our founding fathers have not foreseen that, and we must not support that. So I need to thank the people of Tamil Nadu that by and large you have hold the fort against communalism, but you need to double down on your effort to make sure that it doesn't find any roots in this state. And third and the last bit is this dynasty. Many of us, we do not pay much attention to dynasty. Just imagine if only the sons of legendary Sunil Gavaskar and Kapil Dev would have played cricket, then how this country would have seen Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni or Virat Kohli. You see, there is so much of chatter in the name of MS Dhoni. He is the only Bihari who is more popular than me in Tamil Nadu. Dhoni is more popular in Tamil Nadu than Prashant Kishor, but make no mistake, next year, when I contribute and I help you win, then I will be taking over Dhoni in popularity. Do you agree or not? Do you? No, not everyone has not answered. If I help TVK win next year, who would be more popular in Tamil Nadu? My fellow Bihari MS Dhoni, who makes win Chennai Super King every time, or Prashant Kishor? So you see, so I have my own battle to win. I have to become the most popular Bihari in Tamil Nadu. So I have to compete with Mr. Dhoni, who makes Chennai Super King win. I will make TVK under your leaders win. So that is why I am here. That is why I am here. My dear friends, thank you very much. Just two more things. If you want to win, please adopt 3 C's. Courage, compassion, and commitment. You need to have the courage to stand against the injustice. You need to have, we all need to have the compassion for the citizens who are left behind. For whatever reason, we need to stand for them. We need to lend our helping hand so that they also come up in their lives. And last but not the least, the commitment. I see a lot of exuberance here. 3 years and you are still cheering. But with the exuberance, you need the commitment. So make one commitment today that in next 100 days, you will grow TVK 10 times. No, I don't hear enough clap and resolve. In next 100 days, each one of you, those who are here in this meeting hall and those who are listening from all over Tamil Nadu and beyond, please make a resolve that in next 100 days, that is roughly 3 months, you will add at least 10 new members to TVK family. Everyone raises the hand and takes this resolve. Are you with me or not? 10 new people should join TVK in next 100 days. Yes or no? So TVK Kutumbam becomes 10 times bigger in a straight 3 months. Can you promise this to your leader? You are promising this to your leader. So after 3 months when we meet, TVK will be 10 times bigger than what it is. Thank you very much. Vannakam, Nandri.